Okay, now we're going to show you how you can actually get a 10-pound bag of ice for $2. So same thing, step one, swipe your card, and then you're going to wait for the orange light. And then you hear a little clicking sound. Then step two is you get the bag of ice, or the bag, sorry. And then you pull down. And then right here, you definitely need to get the bag. You come down here and look underneath, and then you get it all the way around. And then on this side, on the right side, is step three, is you get the bag of ice. Here we go, the dispensing of the ice. There we go, you got your bag of ice. And then you can grab the little green twisty tie right there. And then you definitely want to, the bag, you twist it, and then just twist your bag, and you've got a nice 10-pound bag of ice. Thank you.